How to turn on active status settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on active status settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is click these three lines here and then click this settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down until you find this one here, active status, and then just one click, and as you see now active status have been turned on. And that's how to turn on active status on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video.